Hello, here is BB Walker in Garage. Today I got for you some update of the review about the Jigsaw Makita. It's a model 4329, made in Romania, Belgium, Makita. So I will show you basic functions of this, and we will change this saw. This is a saw for a wood, but I have bought a special saw for cutting steel from 1 to 3 millimeters thick, because I have this steel and I want to cut it. I have cut it in before using the angle grinder, but there is a lot of mess around, and I am curious if I am able to use the jigsaw and the metal saw. So we replace this and check everything how it works. So let's do a quick demonstration of the machine, so you can have what is what and how to operate. So let's plug in, and basic standard operation. You press and it cuts. You can regulate the speed using this switch here. So 1, it is the lowest speed, and of course 6 is the highest speed of cutting. This regulation here indicates the movement of the blade, of the saw of the blade. So in a 0 position you got 0 movement. You see it's completely parallel, but if you press it to position 1 on 2 or 3, you will see that the blade is making, maybe I will just switch the speed to low to see what is going on. On this setup, 3 is the most. You could see that the blade is making such movement. So it's not moving parallel like this, but it's making some circles. It's more aggressive cutting. It's going faster through the wood or material that you are cutting. But in my opinion, we will be using the metal cutting. I will switch to 0 to have more movement, more stable cutting. Okay, what else? Here at the rear you got the key, the Allen key, used to operate many things. So now I will turn it off from the power, because I don't want to lose my fingers, and I will show you how to bend this cover here. So now we have a perpendicular cutting, so it's 90 degrees. You put on some edge on some plate and go with cutting. But sometimes you want to make a cut in 45 degrees on other. So to change this, you can simply take this Allen key, which is here mounted to not to lose, and here is the screw. So you loosen it, and if you lose it, you can move this blade, this cover, this I don't know how to call it, and if you set the required angle, you just move it and squeeze the screw again. But now we will be cutting in 90 degree. So I set it proper again to 100. Here is something that could be useful. Here is the 0 level. So if you are moving this, you see that the angle is changing, but if you want to 0 again, all you need is to align those two lines with the cover, with the plastic cover. So let's put it in a proper way. Okay. Okay, so I think now it's perpendicular to the blade. Okay, let's check again. Okay, tight the screw harder, not to move during the cut. Okay, so it's perpendicular. As you can see, this tool is a little bit dirty here because I was cutting the wood. Okay, and now another tip, how to change the blade. Yes, so this is blade for wood, and here is the blades for metal. So I take this blade. I have testing it before, I don't remember when, but yes, I would like to change it. So you again use this Allen key from the bottom of the device, and here is the screw that you have to lose. So it's a simple movement, standard opposite clockwise to open, so you move and the blade should go out. This is the standard blade with mount TA T100 AF T190B AFB, but they are compatible. It should look like this. As you can see, it's the same mount, so you have to be sure that you are buying a blades for your machine. And again, we are mounting. This time it's so you simply put it. I will show you again on this perspective. Okay, so the important thing is to put the blade here in this, on this ring, just rotating here, and you put it there, and now you, with the clockwise direction, tight the screw, of course hard enough so the blade won't move, don't go out during the cut. Okay, now it's mounted, it holds. Okay, and now I take my plate and we try to mount it on the work table. So maybe here. And if you want to see how it performs the cutting, please check other video. It was BB Walker in garage. See you later. We are coming back after a few minutes.